good. All right, so Harrison, which are you gonna come right up where I am, or are you gonna try? Because if you go up where I am, I guess it's either like what we did was bust up through there. There is a line straight up though. There's a line straight up through the trees up there. All right, so let me get the fuck out of the way. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm pretty good right here, Harrison. Mike's going up the other way. Oh, Mike's just going for it. One shot. Did he make it? Yeah. That's it, right through the gap. You got it. Oh, nice. Oh, shit. Well, hey, your bike's up. That was a nice run, Harrison. You got clotheslined. Oh yeah, I remember last time we went up through there. Yeah. Oh! Yee-hoo! I just had her full wheelie, man. That was great. Woo! Oh. Jason's going up the Curtis approved trail, the Wizard approved. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. You can start from there. Oops, sorry. You see where I went up? Yeah, I actually went up that way. But I was starting down over here. You might want to go up and then try to back up into there if you can. I mean, you're not on that much of a hill right now, really. I mean, it's not. But it becomes steep right here for sure. You hit a stick. There was a stick under you. Oh shit! You okay? Handlebar snap between my You okay, buddy?
Yeah. I think so.
You hit that tree pretty good with your back.
Yeah.
This is a good time to have a backpack on and a chest protector.
Yeah.
That saved you. Yeah, go left. Yep, up, and then right after the tree. And yep, up over the top. Yeah, baby, yeah! Yeah! That's how you do it. Here, we got Dirt Bike Syndicate ready to give her up the.
I have weight control on my camera. Put her going.
you got it. Do you have it in put her going mode?
Start recording.
Yeah, you got this, man. Just keep your weight forward, weight on them pegs, and she'll go. Oh yeah, she'll go right up through there. Whatever you do, just keep momentum, keep it going, don't slow down. Keep her going. Bup, bup, bup. That's a good speed. Let it, keep her going, keep her going. You got it. Yeah, no problem. Look at that, like a pro. Huh.
Like we're meant to do it.
Yeah. As he whiskey throttles into the next.